Can you turn over? Come and get your camera. Come and get your camera. Well then pass out. You can sleep here.
Yeah, our house is using some attention too.
Yeah.
If we don't give it, we'll get bugs.
Yeah.
Then I'll be
You can say you sleep here all night, all day. Yeah. Hi. 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 Look at that smile. Look at you sit up all by yourself. Such a good baby. Jennifer, don't push me over. Trying to balance here. Yeah. Yeah. Say mama. Come on. That almost sounds like mama.
Oops.
It's not doing its job. Here. Gonna get it? Oh,
That's so cute. He's having a conversation in the camera.
oh, you're so cute. He's like looking at me like, and your point?
Yeah.
You are just so cute.
Huh?
Yeah. Dada? No, mama. There you go. That sounds more like mama. He really wants the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is this what you want? Is this what you want? Yeah. He's still recording. Is it really?
What?
Yeah. Yeah. You better not fall over. That will not feel good.
Well, you get the up close and personal of his mouth, right?
You can stick it in his mouth.
Yeah, he's sticking his mouth in his recording.
I'm ready for a cigarette.
Yeah, yeah. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.